Ever wondered if there's a grill out there that can do it all? I mean,
Yeah.
smoke, grill, sear, and even control from your phone?
Wait, control from your phone?
Exactly. That's what Camp Chef's Woodwind series is all about.
Oh, I've heard a bit about those. What's so special about them?
Well, imagine a pellet grill that's built with durable stainless steel
Right.
and comes with Wi-Fi connectivity.
Wi-Fi on a grill? That's wild.
I know, right? You can monitor and adjust temperatures from the Camp Chef app.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, they have this thing called the slide and grill feature.
What's that about?
It lets you switch between indirect smoking and direct flame grilling.
Oh, nice.
So you get the best of both worlds.
That's pretty cool. But how's the smoke flavor?
Actually, they've got something called the smoke number.
Yeah?
You can adjust it to increase or decrease smoke output.
So if I want more smoky flavor, I just crank up the number?
Exactly. And people
Got
are
it.
loving it. One user said, the smoke setting is legit.
But does all that tech make it complicated to use?
Surprisingly, no. Users find the digital controls easy to use and the app is solid.
Okay, what about build quality?
It's top-notch stainless steel, which means durability and weather resistance. Plus,
Right.
it's got a 1236 square inch cooking area.
That's huge, enough for a big family barbecue.
Exactly. And if you're into versatility, they offer Sidekick attachments.
Sidekick?
Like a sear box or a flat-top griddle.
Oh, so you can sear steaks or cook breakfast on the griddle?
You got it. It turns your grill into a multifunctional cooking station.
Nice.
It's like having an outdoor kitchen.
But are there any downsides?
Well, some users mentioned that assembly can be a bit involved. And the temperature probes might be a little off sometimes.
That's important to know. Can't overcook that brisket.
Exactly. But overall, the feedback is really positive. People say it's worth the extra cost.
Yeah. Speaking of cost, how pricey are we talking?
The models range from around $1,199 to $1,799, depending on the features.
Okay.
So it's an investment, but with a lot of value.
Gotcha. What about accessories?
Glad you asked. There's the EUTRK grill table, perfect for portable griddles.
Really?
It's foldable with wheels and even a condiment caddy.
That's handy. Easy to take camping, I bet.
Definitely. Users love its sturdiness and portability.
Mhm.
One said it's plenty strong enough and holds up to 300 pounds.
Wow, that's impressive.
And if you're looking to up your grilling game, there's the Valoho 36-piece accessory kit.
36 pieces? That's a lot of tools.
I know. It includes spatulas, scrapers, a griddle press, and more.
Nice.
All made from food-grade stainless steel.
Sounds like it has everything.
Pretty much. One user said, this is a must-have if you have a Blackstone.
Yeah. Any complaints about the accessories?
A few mentioned some items like the shakers weren't the best quality, but overall,
That's too bad.
people are happy with the set.
Good to know. Are these accessories compatible with the Camp Chef grills?
Absolutely. They're versatile enough for most flat-top grills and griddles.
Perfect. So, if I wanted to start grilling like a pro, would you recommend the Camp Chef Woodwind?
Definitely. Especially if you value versatility and tech features.
I'm sold, but you mentioned some critiques earlier. Are they deal breakers?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Assembly can be a bit of a hurdle, but it's manageable. And the temp probes, using a separate thermometer, could help.
Fair point.
Plus, the ability to control your grill from your phone is a game changer.
Right.
Imagine relaxing while your grill does the work.
That's the dream.
So, ready to fire up some smoked ribs this weekend?
Absolutely. Can't wait to try out that smoke number feature.
You're gonna love it. Just don't blame me if you become the neighborhood grill master.
Haha, deal. Thanks for all the insights. This has been super helpful.
Anytime, let's get grilling.